Hello friends, me Anand Salimi, and you are watching channel Activated Anand Salimi. Anyway friends, very short video. But first, today is date. Okay, today is 7th of December, year 2023, and day is Thursday. Anyway friends, it is now 8:23 p.m. Friends, the thing is that I am sharing video with you what I'm going to talk about. Very short video. My friends, I went downstairs. I was washing my hands, and I turned the tap on. So my friends, I noticed that there's some strange kind of sound coming from the tap. Okay, water was running from the tap, and it sounds like, I don't know what do you think, but it sounds like the sounds coming from the tap is like wow, wow, wow. Now friends, what happened? I just recorded that little clip. It's only, I think, a minute or something long, and well, friends, you can judge yourself what it sounds like. To me, it sounds like from the tap running water. Sound of running water from the tap is like trying to say wow, 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 wow. Well, I don't know, I just thought it sounded interesting, so I just recorded a quick video. Yeah, that's it my friends. Have a good day, watch this video, and you decide yourself what sounds like. Okay, have a good day. It's bye from me, Mr. Anand Salimi, and have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye bye.